If you need to recover your BitVavo account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the BitVavo website. Go to the official BitVavo website using a secure browser. Ensure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Access the login page. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will guide you to the password recovery options available. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you do not have access to your email, select the option for recovery via your registered phone number or any other available method provided by BitVavo. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Once you have verified your identity through the alternative method, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your BitVavo account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to BitVavo's customer support for further assistance.